Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm joining in on a challenge put out each month on the 25th by Deb's Doll Room. And it's called Porcelain Picks. And as you can see, I have a few of my porcelain dolls down. This one could use to be restrung again. I just wanted to take a minute and tell you that porcelain dolls can be used for so many things. I forgot to bring out those clothes. These dolls had their day, no doubt about it. But when you're at thrift stores and garage sales, give them another look for several reasons. One, you could join in Deb's Porcelain Doll Collab or a challenge each month. And you could redress them and recreate them. This was from a collab I did in, I think, 2003 with Evelina from Evelina's, oh gosh, what is her channel name? I'm going to have to look it up and put it in the description. And who else was in on this? Oh gosh, I could see, I'm going to have to think for a minute. I can't remember. I can see her face, Pat Doodle. Pat Doodle, that's the other one that was in on this collab.
Isn't it Evergreen Art?
Evergreen Art, thank you. God, you're better at this than I am anymore. My memory is not what it used to be. This one was a recent collab with Dory's Dollies and Ayla Avar. And I'll put them in the description too, so you can go see what we did with porcelain dolls. I bought this girl, I guess it's been a while, $1. And I want to turn her into Agnes. Actually, the way she is right now kind of fits for Agnes from the Wednesday Addams show. Also, their clothing will fit other dolls. As you can see, this one does have Velcro. Most of the porcelain doll clothes are sewn on. Let me see if this one is. Nope, this one has Velcro too. I think this doll is really cute. You can use these dolls for, this would be cute to put out at Christmas. Look at her little head tilt. That is in her neck. That's built into her neck. She needs a little wipe across her cheek. But look at that hair. Is that not cute? But you can steal their clothes and their wigs and their shoes for other dolls. I hate to see these dolls go into the trash that looks like bloomers and tights, into the landfills. I just hate it. So pull them out, do them a favor, rescue. Our channel name is Dolls Rescued, so I try not to pick them up at every garage sale, but I do tend, I just like dolls. I just do. They're very cute, they're very fun, and right now they're very inexpensive. And again, Deb offers this challenge every month, and it's always fun to join in on the challenges. If you have a porcelain doll pick this month, please leave it in my comments so I can come back and see yours too. Is she not perfect for Agnes from Wednesday? The Netflix Wednesday.
She just needs a few polka dots on her, or not polka dots on her face.
What? Oh, freckles?
Freckles on her face.
Aren't we cute? Old people trying to make a video. If you have a video today, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Is she not spooky? Spooky enough, and then her little outfit.